Susan's on fire. Smoking. Susan's so hot right now. What you got in that hat?
Sharzad.
Yes, Susan?
What comes to mind when I say head?
Put the brakes on, Susan. I didn't sign up for that. You know, I mean, it's not that kind of show.
But I was gonna say head spa. What comes to mind when I say head spa? The head spa is actually a hair treatment.
Oh.
It's a scalp and hair treatment, and it's really popular in Japan. People get it done weekly to treat their scalp, to make their hair look healthy and shiny.
You got it done when you were there a couple
I've
years
had
ago,
it
right?
done. I thought it was really interesting.
Okay.
And so I'm excited because it's available in Los Angeles.
Oh, yeah.
Today we're at Blow Me Away Salon. We're gonna see Sayaka. She is one of the head spa technicians here, and she is going to give me a head spa treatment.
I'm so excited to watch you get some head right now. Are you guys ready? Let's go.
Today I'm gonna do hair spa on Susan. She's gonna love it. A lot of massage.
Sayaka.
Yes.
You're gonna do a deep dive into Susan's head right now. We're gonna see what's in there.
I am so
Right?
nervous because you guys, I did not know that they were gonna be taking a look at my scalp, and I have not washed my hair for like a week. It's been like a week since I washed my hair.
Can't wait to see what's in there. So part of the process is you come in and you analyze their scalp,
Yes.
right? And what are you looking for?
I'm looking for the skin condition.
Okay.
And then how much build up, and then how thinning the hair, losing the hair.
Skin condition, buildup, and any thinning.
Yes.
It's funny, I remember a couple months ago somebody explaining that this is also, you know, your skin on your scalp,
Yeah.
and you should treat it like you would treat the skin all over your body and take care of it, like
Right.
skincare for your scalp. And I never really thought about that before.
Yeah.
So you normally didn't wash that week, or how often?
Yeah,
you
I wash it like every 5 days or
wash?
so.
5 days? Okay.
Ooh, that looks so
Oh my
interesting to me.
goodness, it looks like bugs.
It looks totally like bugs.
Like spider legs.
Yeah, so this is Susan's head.
It's super shiny. Look at that.
It is
Oily.
shiny.
Okay, so she has a little bit dry skin.
Yep.
And
Okay.
of course, the 5 days she didn't wash, so she has a buildup.
Okay.
Because of dust, sweat, oil, everything.
That's what's
But-
shiny?
Yes, and also she has a good hair. I don't see any thinning hair
Yeah,
yet.
it's so, like the
can you
strands are so
see
thick
right
too.
here?
Well, I have psoriasis.
Psoriasis too? Okay, so this is a psoriasis. So
me,
this,
yeah.
Oh, are those white hairs? Oh, how sad. How sad.
this is a flake. Maybe it's the skin, because the skin always turn over 45 days.
Oh.
So she didn't wash the 5 days, so it comes to this. And also the buildup. It's alive.
Okay, so this
Yes.
this area is
Yeah,
the
the underneath has a nice layer.
Oh, I have nice layers there.
Yeah, too.
Good.
So
Yeah.
some parts of my scalp are healthier than other parts of my scalp. It's so interesting.
Yeah,
it's
this is
embarrassing.
really-
But also interesting.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's clean this scalp and massage it. So I'm going to sleep now.
Okay, good night, Susan. So Susan's all cozied up, and you are ready for everything that you're gonna do.
Yes.
Okay, and I'm just gonna like lean in and do like a creep. I always watch Susan get her beauty treatments done.
So I don't want to do anything like hot wash.
You prefer like a cooler temperature?
Like
okay.
a warm, cool
Warm,
side,
cool,
yeah.
okay. So
Already you can see the buildup came up.
Oh wow. Yeah, you can kind of see it if you're looking for it. I don't think I ever would have noticed that before, but the water's actually brown.
I'm like, oh gosh.
No, it's not. It's not. Pretty jealous right now.
So now I'm using the, we mixed the lots of oil.
You mix oils
Yeah.
together. Oh, cool.
So now I'm gonna, this is we mixed with a little castor oil and then
Oh.
jojoba oil and then essential oil too.
Castor oil.
Yeah.
Castor oil stands out for you, huh?
Yeah, castor oil, and I don't have good thoughts of castor oil because I chugged it when I was trying to induce labor when I was 42 weeks pregnant with my firstborn. And actually, if you drink it, it
Gives you
gives you diarrhea.
Ah.
But great for the hair.
But you can't put too much because it's too thick, and then some people
Yeah.
has an allergy reaction.
Oh, okay.
So we have just a little bit. That
Okay.
oil too.
So you guys have your own custom little oil blend.
Yes.
That's so cool. Now, is this for the scalp, or will this also do some cleansing? What? Or both?
This one
or?
called to moisturize into the skin because she
Okay.
has a dry skin.
Okay.
And also the right now she has a build-up, so I have to soften it to cleanse it.
Oh, so this is like a pre-cleanse
Yes.
thing. Oh, cool. I guess when I think about putting oil onto my hair, I just think that it'll be so oily and hard
Oily,
to get
yeah.
rid of. Yeah. But my hair is a lot thinner.
Like she didn't wash for a long time, so she has a dust and oil build-up.
Okay.
So only oil take off the oil.
Oh,
Yeah, oil
okay.
helps to
Ooh, that looks like it feels so good. Oh, God.
So I'm gonna put the steamer.
Ooh, fun.
Like
It's totally a facial for your hair.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So what does the steamer do? Does it help the oil get deeper?
Yes. Also that helps to the blood circulation
Blood circulation. Okay.
and also the moisturizing to the skin too.
She looks like a queen.
I am the queen.
You are a queen. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. Is this different from Tokyo?
This is exactly what happens.
Oh, this
And
is so
this is
cool.
a machine.
I love it that you just lay here. You don't have to like go sit under a steamer. It's totally
This is
relaxing.
so much more relaxing.
How long has this been around in Japan?
Long time.
Long time? Okay.
Time. It's like a really popular.
Okay.
So it's not like this, but every salon has an option for the hair spa.
Okay. Oh, cool.
Yes.
God, I gotta go back to Japan.
Same.
I feel like Japanese women have incredible skin and incredible hair.
Oh,
And it's
they do.
always looks shiny. And that's because of things like this.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
do
And genetics, I'm sure,
yes.
obviously.
But we more the culture. Then we go to the haircut. We add on the hair spa
Yeah.
and treatments.
How long will she get steamed for?
5 minutes.
And now, is that because her scalp is a certain way, or is that kind of the standard? Like, 5 minutes?
It's a standard, but some people sometimes needs the longer time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we customize.
Right, if they're like extra dirty. Ooh, this is fun. Ah! Oh, how does that feel?
So good.
Now I'm gonna do an oil massage.
Oh,
So
Oh, that was not the oil. Yes.
this is round
Yes,
2.
two.
Okay, so same oil?
Same oil.
Okay. Oh, this looks awesome. Is there anybody that shouldn't do this treatment?
has extension.
Just extensions,
Yes.
but otherwise anybody can
But
do
anybody
it.
can
Okay,
do it.
cool. So after this massage, then you cleanse, condition.
Yes.
Okay, and then optional to get a blowout.
Exactly.
Cool.
And then I'm gonna do one more massage with the shampoo.
Oof.
Yeah.
Amazing. So she's done with her second scalp massage, and now she gets a third, but this time with a cleanser?
Yes.
Damn, you're hooking her up today, girlfriend! Meanwhile, Susan's snoring. No, I'm kidding. So this is the cleansing part.
Cleansing, yes.
Alright. So this is gonna get rid of all the oil and everything that you just put in there.
And I want them to do the wrap first. Like a wrap.
Oh.
Because right now it's a sulfate-free, paraben-free.
Okay.
They use a lot of oil, so it's hard to rinse. So
Right.
and then make the bubble is go into the hair follicle to the clean.
Cleansing.
Right now I did the soothing shampoo with the massage, and then now I'm gonna deep cleanse into it.
Another cleanse?
Yes.
She's gonna be clean.
It's a shiatsu shampoo massage.
Shiatsu?
Shiatsu.
So with like massage, shiatsu massage.
But during the shampoo I do the shiatsu.
Oh, that's awesome. This is way better than I thought it was gonna be.
I know.
So this is the Japanese Shiatsu cleansing technique.
Yes.
Now, are you cleansing Susan so much because she was extra dirty when she came in? Oh, okay, okay. This is everybody gets this.
Yes.
Is that a Shiatsu technique?
Yes.
I feel like I just went through a drive-through car
Yeah.
wash.
Totally. Now you're conditioning.
Conditioning.
And you're just focusing on the ends.
Ends.
It smells fresh. It smells so fresh. Do you let the conditioner kind of sit in for a while?
In a while.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do a little massage for the conditioner.
Oh,
No massage.
Susan gets another massage.
Best day ever.
So she's done.
She's done.
Do you have any more massages for her or what? Well, Susan's only like moaned a couple of happy sounds in the last like hour. Every couple of minutes it's, oh yeah. Oh, that's good. So she's all clean. She's had quite the rub down.
So I'm gonna check the after the sessions.
Oh, you checked the camera again to see the, okay,
Yes.
that's cool.
Then blow up.
And then blow up. Awesome.
So now you can see under right here.
Yeah.
You can see through the hair.
Oh.
So that means
yeah.
your build up inside. The beginning was like this. You can see it.
Oh my God, that's such a huge difference.
Yes. And then now you can see the underneath, and then you can see the wrinkle is a moisture back.
Wow.
Can you see that?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Right here.
Definitely see the difference. Thank
Yeah,
you.
that was
Thank
awesome
you.
to watch. You're healthy now, Susan.
So now I'm gonna blow dry your hair.
Ooh.
This, you guys, is the best day ever. Really, it really is.
Damn, girl, you look good.
My week just got infinitely better, like
Yeah.
so much better. I want to start my week like this
Yes.
regularly.
You look shiny and happy, and I don't think I've ever been so jealous. I've probably said that before, but I really was jealous of this treatment. It looked awesome.
I expected a really nice treatment because I got it done in Tokyo, but that was even better.
I was gonna
than
ask
I
you.
thought it was gonna be.
How it compared.
I don't know. There was just something about this. I think being able to, one, communicate, but two, like she really took the time to, like the head massage and oh, you guys, it was just so good.
At Blow Me Away Salon, the head spa starts at $75.
That's a pretty good price. I think
great.
for all the things that she did, it was
So much.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm so jellyfish. I can't wait to come back on my own and get my own little head massage. You know, I had a lot of pervy jokes. I tried to hold it back, but there was a couple that just
Head
had to
spa.
slip in because I had to, because I'm a 12-year-old boy deep down.
It's okay. It's okay. You know, the name Head Spa opens it up to jokes, but I got it.
Yeah.
Once I was like actually in it, I understood. It's a spa
For your
head.
Bottom
Made so much sense.
It was amazing, and the place is great. Love
Yeah.
it. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of The SASS. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment.
Somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. And
Comment
watch our
on
next
it.
video, you guys.
It's really fun. It's got us
There's
in
a
it.
video
Doing
somewhere.
doing some stuff.
There's videos. Video.
Holla.